See, my dear friends, the muddy road is soaked with rain water on both sides, and in a while, the muddy path will go underwater. So, for now, I am walking on the edge with a bit of soil, right? I'm walking barefoot. I love to walk barefoot. I can vividly remember in my childhood I used to walk on this kind of muddy path. I feel like taking a bath, but the water may be polluted, right? My shoes, sandals. I took off my shoes. Let me put on my shoes again and go. You can see, my dear friends, the water is covered with tiny and big green algae, right? Look at this. And I feel like washing my, oh my god, there's something. Oh, it's a grasshopper. I thought it's an insect, by the way. Oh, you can see my face on water. Oh, shadow. By the way, the water is literally washing my legs, washing my feet. My feet are getting washed by this rainy water because I felt like touching the water. Yes.